Hi, I'm Daria Artem with LadyFortunes.com. I'm here to show you how to make your own wedding favor fortune cookies. I'm starting over here with fortune cookies that have love messages inside. You can go and purchase fortune cookies with traditional messages of good fortune at any supermarket. If you specifically want messages that are customized or love and marriage fortunes, you can go to our website, ladyfortunes.com, to purchase those in order to make your own wedding favors. However, you can always use the good fortune messages. Those always seem to work out very nicely. So I've got these fortune cookies right over here, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and dip them into pastel colored chocolate melts. Chocolate melts are a readily available product you can buy at any cake or candy supply store. They're typically called wafer melts, and they melt in your microwave very easily. You can also melt them in a double boiler or any way that you would melt traditional chocolate. So we're going to take our fortune cookie. We're going to hold it by its legs over here, and we're going to just dip it. And I like dipping it halfway in our chocolate melt. We're going to go ahead and wave it just to get a little bit of the excess chocolate off of the cookie, because you don't want to have too much excess. It doesn't look neat. And after we're done doing that, we're going to settle it so that all the chocolate settles into the cookie. We're going to put it down. I have little royal icing decorations which are made. You can purchase these at any cake or candy supply store, or again, you can go to ladyfortunes.com and see a very wide assortment of decorations that we have for sale. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these little flowers. They come off really easy. It's basically sugar decorations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put that little flower right here on the side of the cookie. All right, so now what we're going to do with our wedding favors is we're going to go ahead and let them set. You can take the cookie and you can put it in the fridge to kind of speed up that process. However, the wafer melts do typically melt within 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the temperature of your room. Well, we're back, and our lovely wedding fortune cookies have set so nicely here. You want to go ahead and test it out, make sure that the chocolate has set. Typically, you can see a really nice glossy sheen on the chocolate, and it's an indicator of the fact that it's been melted. It's not sticky to the touch, it's actually set perfectly. So what I like to do when I complete these wedding favors is I like to package them beautifully. You want to have a favor that you can give someone and they're going to think it's exquisite. So what I do is I purchase these little bags, which again are available at any cake and candy supply store. These ones here are about 2 by 1 by, I'd say, about 6 inches. And they're gusseted. Gusseted bag is different from a flat bag. A flat bag is just flat. A gusseted bag has a 3D effect to it. If you take a look at the gusset right here, you can put the product inside and then cinch it at the top, and it's just a nicer presentation. And there you have it. It's a beautiful wedding favor fortune cookie.